This video is for 5-6 point slope form. You should have out a piece of paper in corner format, and on the left hand side you should have the question for this video: how do you use a point and a slope to graph a line? You should have a section over here for your notes, add another statement or question, and here's the second video: how do you create an equation from using 2 points? How do you use a point and a slope to graph a line? In the previous videos, I showed you how to use a slope and a y-intercept to graph a line, and now I'm going to show you what to do when you are given a point and a slope to graph a line. Here's our example. Graph the line with the given slope that contains the given point. Make sure you pause the video and write down this example first so that way you can follow along and fill in the blanks. So as you look to see here, they gave us slope, which is equal to 2, and they gave us a point, which is 3, 1. So step 1 is to plot the point that they gave us. So we're going to plot the point 3, 1. And look to our graph. Remember, I'm going to go ahead and enlarge the graph so I can plot the point 3, 1. Okay, so go 3 on the x, 1 up for y, and there's our first point, and that's the point that they gave us. Step 2, we are going to use the slope to move from point 3, point 3, 1 to another point, and we're going to use the slope, and the slope that they gave us was 2, and since it's just a whole number and we need rise over run to plot slope, we are going to do our slope as being 2 over 1. And since it's a positive 2, that means we're going to move up 2 units from the point 3, 1, and we're going to move 1 unit to the right since it's a positive point, and plot another point. Remember, 2 points, you can create a line, but I'm going to go ahead and plot 3. So our slope was 2 over 1 from that point that we were given. And we're going to go up 1, 2, and over 1. And here is our second point. But you always want to have 3 points to create a really good line. So let's go ahead and count that slope again. We can also go down 1, 2, and we can go over 1. And that is the same exact slope as positive 2 over 1. And for our third step to graphing this line, we need to draw the line connecting the 2 points. And here we are. Perfect. Okay, so to challenge yourself, go ahead and look for the domain and range of this line.